objective to bring a drug-free society, a one-day drug awareness program on the theme Realization for Drug-Free Tomorrow was conducted at Phayeng Awang Laikai. The awareness program was organized jointly by Phayeng Gram Panchayat and Realize Rehabilitation Center RRC Kwedingay. Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights, in collaboration with Manipur State Legal Service Authority, organized a one-day state-level training program for special juvenile police units and ICPS functionaries at the auditorium of Manipur High Court, Imphal. A tree plantation program on the theme Grow the Trees, Save the Environment was conducted this morning at Sai Complex, Takiel Pat, Imphal. The event was organized by Mangal Foundation, wherein former MLA of Khetrigao constituency T.H. Nandakishore Singh, Director of Sai Manipur, actress Jolie Irungbam and others attended as main guests. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma attended the session on the Smart Village movement organized by the University of Berkeley in California, according to media reports. Meghalaya is all set to start the Smart Village initiative, and at least 100 villages will be selected for implementation of the project. The movement is an open innovation approach that integrates technology and indigenous rural practices to generate sustainable revenue for the constituents, economic, social and environmental value. There is absolutely no problem on Indo-China border in Arunachal Pradesh, said Union Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju on Friday in Bengaluru. As per reports, the minister also said the borders of Arunachal Pradesh are safe and the army and the border security force personnel are taking good care of every inch of the land. A divisional bench of the High Court of Tripura pronounced a judgment banning animal sacrifice in the state. According to media reports, the temples of the state have been directed not to indulge in animal sacrifice. A public interest litigation (PIL) to ban animal sacrifice in various temples of the state was filed in 2018 by Subhas Bhattacharjee, a former judge of Tripura District and Session Court at the High Court. Prime Minister Narendra Modi concluded his US visit, thanking the American people for exceptional welcome, warmth and hospitality, and saying the diverse range of programs he attended during the stay will greatly benefit India.